Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the previous part we have seen about the orbital filling rules. Means filling of electrons takes place on the basis of three rules. One is above and second one is Pauli's rule and third one is Hans rule. So on the basis of the three rules, generally filling of electron will be takes place into the respective orbitals. The topic we have seen in the last class, and in this class I am going to discuss about the electronic configurations of first 30 elements. Yes, you may know very well beta. So total number of elements in the periodic table, total 118 elements are there, but you don't need to remember all 118 elements electronic configuration. I hope as per my knowledge, okay na beta. So according to my point of view, you should be very familiar about first 30 elements, symbols and atomic number and mass number and electronic configuration. This is enough for you Nana. It may be very useful to you. Okay, whatever that may be the chapter in 11th chemistry or maybe in 12th chemistry, 100% this information will be useful to you. That's why I am going to teach you as a fundamental topic. Okay na. So 100% सबका मैं फटाफट you should in within 2 minutes में okay ना, in within 1 to 2 minutes you have to say the list of first 30 elements like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, like that, fastly hydrogen to zinc तक. Okay na. So like that you should be very familiar about the first 30 elements, their atomic numbers and mass numbers and symbols, and main thing is electronic configuration. Okay na. Right. So first of all, what is meant by electronic configuration? We have to know one small definition. पहले अपना meaning पता करेंगे बेटा. What is the meaning of electronic configuration? So electronic configuration means distribution of electrons into the orbitals. Same like yesterday's definition. Filling of orbital filling rules. So yesterday also I have told you, if you know the three orbital filling rules, then writing of electronic configuration is nothing to you. That's why I am saying here. So distribution of electrons, I mean filling of electrons into the respective orbitals, okay now, of an atom, that is known as what Nana? Electronic configuration. Okay. So how the electrons will be filled? Generally distribution of electron takes place as per Hans, Pauli and above principle, whatever that may be. First of all, electron will be enters into the, as per above rule, first of all electron will be enters into a lower energy orbital 1s. So electron distribution takes place into the 1s, spin up and spin down. Next, filling of electron takes place into the next energy level 2s, spin up and spin down. Next electron will be enters into 2p orbital, spin up, spin, sorry. So here we have to follow the Hans rule. 1 and 2 and 3. All the degenerate orbitals, first of all they are occupying, singly occupied. After that pairing will be takes place like that manner. So in that manner distribution or filling of electron takes place into the respective orbitals by following all three rules. So that is the meaning of what Nana? Electronic configuration. But just one word meaning is filling or distribution of electrons into the respective orbitals on the basis of three rules. That is the meaning of electronic configuration. I hope meaning was clear. Now I am going to start the story. So one side I am going to write the element along with symbol, and another side we are going to write the electronic configurations. Okay. First of all I am going to write the element. What is the first element beta? Hydrogen. All the names I can't write here, just I am going to mention the symbol because of due to lack of time. Okay. Yes. In our regular classes, in our regular PUC classes, we will discuss there clearly. Again, once again I will give you the list. Okay. So first of all, first 30 element as per bridge course point of view I am going to give you now. Okay. What is the first element? Hydrogen. What is the symbol of hydrogen? H. So the symbol of hydrogen is H. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and mass number is also 1. As hydrogen symbol is H, atomic number 1, mass number is 1 beta. Okay, hydrogen atomic number 1 means it contains only one electron. That one electron undergo distribution into the orbital is 1s orbital. So we can say that 1 is 1 electronic configuration of the hydrogen. Yes, it is also electronic configuration. We can write in another way. 1s means it contains only one orbital. That one orbital filled by the, okay, now one electron of hydrogen. Like that also we can show beta. Both are nothing but the electronic configurations. One is NLX notation, one more is orbital diagram notation beta. Next element is nothing but what beta? Helium. Helium atomic number is 2 and its mass number is nothing but 4. Helium atomic number is 2, mass number is nothing but 4. So how to write the electronic configuration? Helium contains 2 electrons. The 2 electrons are distributing into the 1s orbital. So we can say that 1s2 configuration. And 1s subshell or orbital, 1s subshell, it contains only one orbital. So again spin up and spin down. In that manner you have to write the electronic configuration. Next I am going to write that hydrogen, helium. Next one is what beta? Lithium. Lithium atomic number is 6, atomic number is 3, mass number is double plus 1 unit यहाँ पर ज़्यादा रह सकता है बेटा. Okay, so double plus 1 is nothing but we have to say that 7. Try to remember those are having excess of mass 1 unit nano. Okay, especially lithium. Lithium contain atomic number 3, means it contain 3 electrons. So first of all, out of 3, 2 electrons are distributed into 1s. And one more extra electron enters into next energy level, that is nothing but 2s nana. So we have to write the configuration 1s2, 2s1, and also we can say that, so this is 1s orbital, it contains 2 electron. Next one is nothing but 2s orbital, it also contains 1 electron. Okay na. And also we can write its short form, that is nothing but helium. Because of lithium is the element present after helium. Okay, I have written helium. Lithium atomic number is 3, helium is nothing but 2. So remaining one more electron is there na beta. That one electron was present in 2s1. So helium 2s1. This is also another way. So this is NLX notation, this is short NLX notation, this is orbital diagram notation. All three are correct beta. Good. So next one is nothing but what beta? Beryllium. Atomic number is 4. Beryllium atomic number is 4, mass number double plus 1, so we have to say that 9. Okay beta, right here 4 electrons are there, so we can write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, here 2 electron, here 2 electron, like that you can continue the orbital notation. Okay beta, right. So and also we can write in short form is 1s2 means what beta? 1s2 means helium, is I have written here helium. Remaining is nothing but what nana? 2s2. So 1s2, 2s2. Helium, beryllium electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 or helium 2s2 beta. Next one is nothing but boron. Atomic number is 5. Mass number is nothing but what nana? 10. Okay, boron atomic number is 5. So how many electrons are there? 5 electrons are there. Out of 5 electrons, 2 electrons are distributed into 1s orbital and 2 electrons are distributed into 2s orbital. Next another electron is there distributed into 2px orbital. Yes, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. And also we can say that configuration shortly, that is nothing but helium. Helium means 1s2. Remaining is 2s2 and 2p1. 2s2 and 2p1. So how can we say 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 electrons. Boron contains 5 electrons. Helium contains 2, again 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 electron beta. Like that we have to be think. Next one is carbon. Carbon atomic number is 6. Mass number is nothing but 12 beta. So what is the electronic configuration? Carbon contains total 6 electrons. 6 electrons they are undergoing distributing into the orbitals. So one is getting 2 electrons and remaining 2 electrons are distributed into 2s and remaining 2 electrons are distributed into 2p. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This is the electronic configuration of what beta? Carbon. And also we can write shortly 1s2 means what nana? Helium. Yes, I am going to be right here helium. 2s2 and 2p2. In the place of 1s2, I am writing helium. Remaining is 2s2, 2p2. So what is the carbon electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, and also we can say that helium 2s2, 2p2. Okay. Next one is nothing but I am going to write that nitrogen. What is the symbol of nitrogen? 7 beta. What is the mass number? 14 nana, exactly double. So N7 14, this is the symbol of nitrogen nana. So total 7 electrons are there. Out of 7, 2 electrons are distributed into 1s2, 2 electrons are distributed into 2s2, remaining 3 electrons are there, they are distributed into 2p3. And also we can say that shortly, helium 2s2, 2p3, that also you can write continuously. Okay, good. So what is the configuration of nitrogen? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Nitrogen contains 7 electrons. They are distributed into 2 distributed into 1s orbital, remaining 2 distributed into 2s orbital, remaining 3 distributed into 2p orbital. Means 2px contain 1, 2py contain 1, 2pz contain 1. Clear beta? And also we can say shortly helium 2s2, 2p3. Okay, next one is oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8, mass number is 16. So total 8 electrons are there. How to distribute? 1 electrons are distributed into 1s, remaining 2 electrons are distributed into 2s. 2 plus 2, 4, but here for helium contain 8, means the remaining 4, they are distributed into what now? 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This is the electronic configuration of oxygen. Okay, after oxygen, what is the atomic number? 9th one? Fluorine beta. So next element is nothing but fluorine. Fluorine atomic number is 9, but mass number is double plus 1. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1 is nothing but what beta? 19. So how that 9 electrons are distributed? So the electronic configuration is, I am going to be right here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So 1s contain 2 electron, 2s contain 2 electron, 2p contain 5. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. In that manner, we have to distribute the 9 electrons of fluorine. And also we can say shortly, क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1s2 means helium. Okay, this is clear. Remaining 2s2, 2p5. So helium, 2s2, 2p5. This is the electronic configuration of what, Nana? Fluorine. Okay. Next one is nothing but what beta? Neon. Okay. Neon atomic number is nothing but 10. So it is nothing but noble gas element, Nana. Total 10 electrons are there. So we have to be distribute that. 1s distributed by 2 electron. Remaining 2 distributed into 2s. And remaining 6 distributed into 2p. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. In that manner we have to be distributed, Nana. Next, neon atomic number is 10, but mass number is exactly double, that is nothing but 20. यहाँ पर fluorine में 1 unit ज़्यादा बेटा. Right. So and also we can write one short form. Its electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p6. Helium 2s2 2p6 beta. Next one is nothing but sodium. Symbol is nothing but Na. Its atomic number is 11. Mass number is double plus 1. 11 plus 11, 22. 22 plus 1, 23. Is like that we have to be right now. So sodium atomic number is 11. Mass number is 23. Whatever that may be, atomic number is 11. Means 11 electrons are there. Such 11 electrons, out of 11, 2 electrons are distributed into 1s orbital. Remaining 2 electrons are distributed into 2s orbital. Remaining 6 electrons are distributed into 2p6 orbital. Up to now 10 electrons are distributed. Remaining is one more. After filling of 2p, next electron will enters into, as per above rule, enters into 3s1. Okay beta, good. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is the configuration of sodium. And also we can write short configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 means what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Means up to here we can say that this is neon. So neon 3s1, short form. So what is the short electronic configuration of sodium? Neon 3s1, like that you can say beta. Next one is nothing but magnesium. What is the symbol of magnesium? Mg. Atomic number is nothing but 12 and mass number is nothing but 24. Okay, magnesium atomic number is 12 beta. How to distribute the 12 electrons? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 10 over. Remaining 2 electrons are there. They are going to be distributed into the 3s2. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Up to this is neon. So we can say short form is neon 3s2, neon 3s2. Okay beta, good. Next one is nothing much aluminium. Aluminium atomic number is 13, but यहाँ पर mass number double plus 1 unit. So we can say the total 27. Double means 26. 26 plus 1, 27 unified mass. Okay, good. So total 13 electrons are here. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, same like about 10 over. Next one is 3s2, 12 over. After filling of 3s, next electron enters into 3p, 3p1. So how can we write the short form? Again same thing, neon. Above configuration is a 3s2. One more extra electron enters into 3p1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Overall configuration of aluminum. Okay, and short form is neon 3s2, 3p1. Okay, Nana? Good. Next one is silicon. Symbol is nothing but Si. What is the silicon atomic number? 14. What is its mass number? 28, double Nana. So how that 14 electrons are distributed? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p. Above contain 13, 3p1, but it contains 14, so 3p2 Nana. One more extra electron we have to derive. And we can write the short form neon 3s2, 3p2. That you can make continue, I hope. Good. Next one is nothing but phosphorus. Phosphorus atomic number is 51. Mass number is double plus 1. So we can say that 31. This is important. Okay, good. So total 15 electrons are there. We have to write the configuration. 1s2, next one 2s2, 2p6, next one 3s2. Okay, यहाँ पर 14, 3s2, 3p2, यहाँ पर 15, 3s2, 3p3. And also we can say short form neon 3s2, 3p3. Next beta, next one is sulfur. Atomic number is 16, mass number is double, that is 32. So sulfur contain total 16 electrons and phosphorus contain 15. 3s2, 3p3 becomes 3s2, 3p4. So what we can write now? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Up to now 10 electrons are over. Remaining 6 electrons are there. So 3s2, 12 electrons clear. Remaining 4. So we have to say that 3p4. And also we can say short form. Up to here is helium. Helium 3s2, 3p4. That also you can say continue. Next one is nothing but what beta? Chlorine. Chlorine symbol is Cl. Atomic number is 17. Mass number, I have told you in the previous class, average atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Okay beta, good. So chlorine contain total 17, means 3s2, 3p4 becomes 3s2, 3p5. So overall configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next one is 3s2, 3p5. Okay beta, and simply we can say shortly neon 3s2, 3p5. Next one is nothing but what beta? Argon. Argon atomic number is 18, but mass number is nearby 40. We have seen in the example of isobar. So we can say exact mass is 39.9. 39.9. So what is the argon atomic number? 18. Mass number is 39.9 Nana. But totally 18 electrons are there. 3s2, 3p5 becomes 3s2, 3p6. So overall configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Okay, my dear students, good. So up to now 18 electrons are over, Nana. 18 elements are over. Right. Next one is I am going to explain about the after argon. Atomic number 19 is potassium. What is the symbol of potassium? K. Atomic number is 19. Mass number is nothing but again isobar example, but exactly it contains 39.1 only beta. Okay, or 39.09. Right. So potassium atomic number is 19. How that 19 electrons are distributed? Up to now 18 clear. What is the 18 configuration? 18 configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Up to now 18 electrons are clear. But यहाँ पर 19 electrons are there. So after filling of 3s and 3p, next electron enters into 4s orbital. So next only one electron is excess, that is nothing but 4s1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, nothing but argon. So up to now is argon, after argon 4s1. So we can write the short form is argon 4s1. Argon symbol is Ar. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. This is exact configuration and this is the short configuration of what, Nana? Potassium. So what is the short electronic configuration of potassium? We have to say that argon 4s1. Next one is nothing but calcium. Calcium atomic number is 20 and its mass number is exactly double bit of 40. So we can write here 4s1 becomes 4s2, one more extra electron that will enters into 4s Nana. So the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2, 3p6. Next electron will enters into the 4s2 orbital. Yes, beta. And what is the short form of configuration? This is argon 4s1, 19 electron. But here another electron is there, so we have to say that argon 4s2. Argon 4s2. Like this, beta. Next one is I am going to enter into the D block elements from scandium to zinc, from 21 to 30, all are purely D block elements. So scandium, what is the symbol of scandium? Sc, scandium. Atomic number is 21 and mass number is 45. Scandium atomic number 21, but calcium is 20. So up to calcium, what is the configuration? Argon 4s2. No, I am not writing completely, Nana, due to lack of time. I want to use the short form. Okay, right. So what is the up to calcium? How many 20 electrons are there? Argon 4s2. So scandium electronic configuration is argon 4s2. Argon contain 18, 18 plus 2, 20. But here what? 21. One more extra electron is there. After filling of 4s, next electron will enter into 3d. 3d1. Argon contain 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, beta. Otherwise, we can write that 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Up to now clear. After 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. Like that also you can write, Nana. But up to that, don't need to go short form, remember कीजिए बेटा. Next, scandium के बाद try to remember titanium. Atomic number is 22. Mass number is nothing but 48. Titanium. Scandium 21, titanium 22 Nana. So electronic configuration is, we have to say that argon 4s2 3d2. Scandium, titanium. Next one is vanadium. Vanadium atomic number is 23, but mass value is nothing but only 51 Nana. 23 electrons are there in vanadium, symbol is V, vanadium. So electronic configuration is nothing but again argon 4s2 3d3. Argon contain 18, 19, 20, 23. Yes, 23 vanadium beta. Next 24, that is nothing but chromium. Chromium symbol is Cr, atomic number is 24 and mass number is nothing but 52. So chromium contains 24 electrons, so we can write the configuration is same like this one, argon 4s2 3d4. Argon 4s2 3d4. So chromium contain very special electronic configuration. Sir, why? Because of, actually this is expected electronic configuration, but 3d5, this is half filled configuration, and 3d10, and this is full filled configuration. So the D block elements which are in half filled D5 form and which are having full filled D10 form, these two forms are more stable. Okay, my dear students. But here 3d4 is there, means it is nearby stability, means nearby D5. So due to that case, to get stability point of view, one of the electron will go jumping from 4s orbital. 4s2 become 4s1, one electron ejected to 3d, means 3d4 becomes 3d5, means now outermost orbit contain 3d5, means this is the stable configuration of chromium. So try to remember what is the electronic configuration of chromium beta. Argon 4s2 3d4 नहीं हो सकता, argon 4s1 3d5 to guard stable half-filled configuration. So this is very important beta. Chromium ultimately important. Argon 4s1 3d5, like that answer you have to be seen. Very very important. Okay, good. Argon 4s1 3d5. This is the electronic configuration of what nana? Chromium. Next one is manganese. Atomic number is 25, mass number is 55. Manganese atomic number 25, total 25 electron means, again we have to write the short form. Argon 4s contain 2, 3d contain 5. Argon contain 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 5, 25 electrons. Next one is iron. Atomic number is 26, mass number is 56, or we can say that ferrous. So how the 26 electrons are distributed? Argon 4s2 3d6. Argon 4s2 3d6 nana. So argon contain 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 6 26 nana. Okay, all of you? Good. So next another 4 electrons are left nana, elements are left. Yes. Next one is 27. What is the 27 element? Cobalt. Cobalt symbol is CO, capital C and small o, cobalt. So total 27 electrons. How they are distributed beta? Again same thing, argon. We have to write that 4s2 3d7. 4s2 3d7, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 7 27 beta. Next one is nothing but nickel. Okay, nickel atomic number is nothing but 28. Symbol is nothing but N9, nickel. So here mass numbers are nothing but both they are having nearby same 59 beta, and it contains the electronic configuration argon 4s2 3d8. Next one is nothing but what nana? Is copper. Copper symbol is nothing but Cu. Atomic number is 29, mass number is 63.5 unit. It also contains special configuration, but actually expected is what? Expected is argon 4s2 as it is, 3d9 becomes 3d9. But 3d9 is unstable. It required one more electron to guard 3d10 stable configuration. For that purpose, one electron undergoes jumping from 4s to 3d, means 4s2 becomes 4s1, 3d9 becomes 3d10. Now it is highly stable electronic configuration of what nana? Copper. So chromium and copper, they are having special configuration. Chromium contain 4s1 3d5, copper contain 4s1 3d10. Okay, now they are having d5 and d10 stable configurations. Last and final metal in the first 30 category, zinc. Atomic number is nothing but symbol of zinc, Zn. Atomic number is 30, mass number here 63.5, 5 plus me 3, 3 plus me 5. So we can say that 65.3. I hope you understand. So next element we have to write what electronic configuration is again argon. Argon 4s2 3d10. Argon contain 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 10 30. Zinc contain 30 electrons. Okay beta. So this is the story about the list of first 30 elements along with symbols and atomic numbers and mass number, and main thing is electronic configuration. If you are very familiar about this, okay now, yes sir, the chapter is especially chemical bonding and atomic structure and periodic classification. These chapters are very useful to you and very easy to you nana. And organic chemistry may be used ho sakta, and also it may be useful to you in second year nana coordination compound chapter also. Okay na, good. So try to focus on first 30 elements. Okay na, try to remember, try to by heart whatever that may be. First element, first 30 elements along with symbols and along with atomic number, along with electronic configuration. So try to make practice beta, try to make memorize. Okay, I hope you understand this story clearly, and in tomorrow's class I am going to explain another new fundamental property. So wait for that. Okay, but try to make practice nana. So try to make first hydrogen se shuru karke zinc. We have to start from the hydrogen and we have to stop at zinc nana. Fatafat hydrogen, helium, lithium, like that you have to say the answer. Okay na, good. But try to remember the symbol and try to remember the atomic number. If you know the symbol and atomic number, you can write yourself. I hope maybe electronic configuration is nothing to you. Take care beta.